This video, I show you legit apps and websites that pay instantly, which are some of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to get paid using legit money-making apps and websites, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Now let's get started. First off, I just want to clarify what instantly means. Well, most of these websites still have payout thresholds. However, I only selected websites which have very low payout thresholds, and instantly comes in the withdrawal process. So whenever you cash out your earnings, you receive your money immediately after a few minutes, or within the same day. And the great thing about all of these apps is I'm able to earn money from using these money-making apps. So that just means that they are legit. So now, the first app on our list is SuperPay.me. SuperPay.me is an app that's going to pay you instantly for doing different tasks such as online surveys, downloading apps, playing games and the likes. There are quite a few tasks that you can do on this website to earn money. They also have a referral program that you can use to generate even more money by inviting your friends and helping them earn money using this money-making app. As you can see here, make money online with the fastest paying survey site, cash out instantly, and that is the part we're looking for. This is an app that I have been using, and I can tell you that, after cashing out on my side, I received the payments directly to my PayPal account after a few minutes. So it is indeed the fastest paying site, almost instantly. Cash out instantly, from as little as $1 using PayPal, crypto, Skrill, and gift cards. That's another good thing about this money earning app, there are different payment options. So if PayPal isn't available in your country, you can choose to receive your payments through crypto, Skrill or through gift cards. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. In continuation, the payment threshold is only $1. You can literally reach $1 in just a day or a few hours. If you are determined with this website, and for all the apps that I'll be sharing here today, I will leave links in the description below, so you can find them easier. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here, for you to discover the best app to upload files and earn money, which is one of the best ways to make money online.